Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Eric Dinenberg, physician at the Health Nucleus, and this mindfulness practice will be around 1 minute. So when you're ready, find your feet on the ground and observe whatever you find here. You might notice different points of pressure presenting to different parts of your feet. You might observe what it feels like to have your feet in your shoes, in your socks. You might observe contact points between your feet and the ground. You might even notice temperature in your feet. And if you don't notice temperature, simply register, I don't notice temperature. See, mindfulness is present moment attention without judgment. Anything that takes you away from this noticing is a distraction. Notice distractions, let go, time and time again, return to your feet.